Wow. Let's keep watching and going. This is a very interesting view of more traditional cobblestone town. It's very nice looking. Very charming indeed. Lots of cafes. Looks like we've got strawberry fair. More cafes. What a charming area. Oh, coffee shop. Very popular coffee shop. Looks like a pudding shop. Very popular pudding shop. Looks like this. And this. And this. Holy moly. That is amazing. Charming place for couples and friends and young people. Great place to reinvent yourself, especially if you're an artist. Wow, even on this side, it's like every side is full of old looking and whoa. I'm in the way zoomed in here. Let me zoom out. Cafes and charming areas. This is Kyoto. What is that? That looks so good. It's a meat on a stick. It's roast beef on a stick. I haven't seen that in a while. Double Wagyu triple cheese rice burger for 1,000 yen. It looks really good. And so does the meat on a stick. Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful. Is that a shoe store? Made in Japan shoes. I got rain boots today from Workman. Recommended. Cost just about 2,000 yen. Very cheap. Wow, that's a demon. That is cool. So we're near the end of the street. I'm gonna find another cool place. Thanks for watching. This is Tokyo Paul. Subscribe to watch my other videos about Japan. Check out TokyoPaul.com for my posts about Japan. And check out Japan Info Guide on Amazon and the rest of my photo books on Amazon worldwide. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.